Hello, my sweeties, and welcome back to another episode of How Do I Do That? And I'm Horizon the Bees here. I messed up that intro, but whatever. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to build a mob spawner in Minecraft PE in survival. So let me just get into the first person mode so I can show you. And this design works on any type of Minecraft thing in general. It's pretty much just a basic thing, but it can work in anything. So let me just open this. Open this. There we go. Go through these doors. Say hi to Derek the Egg and Deacon's Mushroom. And hey, Rocky. Hello, Rocky. Okay. So what you're going to need is going to be in this chest. You're going to need some cobblestone, some water, some chest, and a hopper. And you don't have to use a hopper or the chest, it's just so that you could, when you kill it, it can collect the stuff. So, first you'll need a chest, and this is how you make it if you don't know. This is how you make a hopper if you don't know. And over here is how you make a bucket if you didn't know how to make that. Alright, and I'm just gonna go in creative mode for this, so that, it'll work better. So, let me grab my cobblestone. So you first want to do is do it. First do this 1, 2, 3, 4. Do a 4x4, and you go out by. Think you okay out. You go out and up by 1. And this is so when the mobs fall, the mobs aren't able to get out and attack you. So you make that little ring around that platform. You go up 20 blocks. 20 blocks if you want them to, like, when they fall and they just die, you go up to, like, I'll say 30 blocks maybe. That would be pretty good because when they fall from 20 blocks, they're like either like 2.5 hearts or like they're a 2-hit kill. I should have counted. Let me move this so I don't accidentally unpause the video. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, phone fire rated 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And you want to do that all around. Like, you want to do it around, like, you want to go 20 blocks high from here. You want to go 20 blocks up from here. So, as soon as I'm done this, I'll be back with the next part. So, I'll be right back to show you the next part. Okay, so I finished that part. So if you're not this part, just pause the video and yeah. So now you want to go 7 blocks from the middle, like the 2 middles. So you want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You want to do that on all the 4 sides. Yeah, over here too, and over there, and over here. So wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See this? Okay, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And one more time. 1, 2, counting with hornets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And okay, then you go up by one block next to it like this. Oops. You go all the way around like this. Do 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 do. Whoopsie doopsie, whoopsie whoopsie doops, whoops 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 whoops, whoops whoops. I have misclicked. Whoopsie doops, whoopsie doops doops, whoopsie whoopsie doops, doop doops, doop super doops. Okay. Okay. Whoops. And I have a big mess to clean after this. Is gonna be a lot of blocks to bury. Okay. You know what? I'll be right back again as soon as I get this part done. Okay, so I finished that, and now once you do that, you grab your water buckets and you put. Whoops, I misclicked. Wait, why aren't you getting placed? You place them on the. You place them on the end of that, and they should stop right. Oops, I didn't put one there. There. Okay, there we go. So then they both should stop right at the hole. Oh, hang on, I'm fixing it. Slash weather. I spell good. Weather clear. Not for clear. There we go. Close down. And they should end up there. And why is the water so complicated? Get up there. Okay, now over here, do the same. Like so. No, whoops. Did I mess it up? No, no. What happened? What did I do? I don't know what I did. I said no water not disappearing. Okay, there we go. Whoops. Okay, show me. Oh no, I just showed way too much. Whoopsie days. Oh no. Everything's falling apart. Okay, here we go. Let's retry that again. Boom, boom. Now it should stop. Right, okay, there we go. Okay, so now what you have to do is connect all of them so where the mouse will spawn. So you connect. Whoops. You connect all these like this, and you connect all of these. All of them shall die. Die. Split. Play. Hey. And then you just fill it up. You do it on all four sides. But you fill the gap up. Like this. I would fast forward it if I had the editing ability. So I'm just going to show you this part real quick, and then I'm just gonna finish the rest off camera and be back soon. So you just do this. You do that, and yeah, you fill that up just like all the rest. So I'll be back as soon as I'm done that part. Okay, I finished like all four of the platforms. So now what you're going to do is you go up the wall by 2. You make the wall go up by 2. So could start doing it. You could up by 2. Boom, boom. Okay, this part's gonna take a while. You know what? As soon as I'm done making the wall, I'll be right back. Okay, I finished the wall. So now what you want to do is go up like that. So that's like 2 things. Only mobs that are 2 by 2 can get get like spawn. Is what I'm trying to say. Okay, so you just do this and make the roof. So as soon as I'm done this, again, I'll be right back. There's a lot of long parts of building this. So yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, so as soon as you finish that roof, it should look like this. So mobs will spawn on these platforms, and they'll either just walk and then fall in the water and start falling down to their doom, or there'll be other mobs who like push them in, or yeah, they will eventually fall down here. The water will push them down and down the hole, and eventually either they'll have like 2 hearts or something. So the reason if you don't have to do this, but I'd like to, so I don't have a million stuff in my inventory when it comes to that. So instead of putting nose, you could put these. Hang on. You can put you can put chest here. Oh, not that. Whoops. Oh wait. Oh, I need more than one tree. Oh, whoops. Okay, let's grab the chest. Where's chest at? Where do you? Oh. No, that's not what I wanted. Chest. There we go. Genius. Chest, and then you grab the experts. Crouch and do that, and that. Crouch and do that, and that, so that whenever anything that goes in there, like say a chest, they'll go in, and they'll end up in this chest. So, and spiders do fall down, and they could fit through the that gap because it's only a 1 by 1. So you're gonna need you're gonna need some cobblestone slabs and do it like right here, here, and like on every side, so they do not come to eat your brains or eat whatever spiders eat. So the mobs will fall. You can just go up, punch them a couple times, and eventually die. So yeah. So they will spawn in here, fall down, and die. That sounds demented, but yeah. So that's how you build a mouse spawner in Minecraft PE. I think this design works on any type of Minecraft. I'm pretty sure. So wrong button. So let me just get into first person mode. I don't know why this settings does not like to load. Load settings. Load. Thank you. Nope. Control. No. Keep going. Video. Yeah. First person. Resume. Alright, so let me just keep that there. So, I hope that this tutorial on how to build a mouse finder helped in Minecraft PE. I hope it helped. So, if it did, please sting that like button and sting that subscribe button for more. And hope you enjoyed. Adios.